Losing a loved one is hard.
Navigating Arizona's probate process shouldn't be.
What is Arizona probate? It's the court-supervised process used to validate a will, identify assets, pay off debts, and transfer property to rightful beneficiaries.
Arizona offers 3 probate paths. Informal is streamlined with minimal court supervision. Formal is structured and court-supervised for disputes. Small estate is simplified for estates under specific value thresholds. The key player in Arizona probate is the personal representative. They use specific forms for 3 main stages: starting, managing, and closing the estate. Let's break it down. Determine if probate is needed, gather documents and file the application, notify parties, manage the estate, and formally close it. Wait 30 days for personal property under $75,000 or 6 months for real estate under $300,000. Disclaimer, this isn't legal advice. Thanks for watching. We hope this quick guide demystified Arizona probate. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.